Hello guys, welcome back to the vlog. On today's tutorial we are going to be learning how to blur a text or a face in Inshot app. In your phone, click on the Inshot app, then select video, click on new, select the appropriate video you want to edit. Then in the Inshot app, click on sticker, select sticker again and click on GIF. Click on sticker button in the GIF, then type in blur, B-L-U-R, blur. Here I'm trying to blur a text, so I'll choose the appropriate blur I want to use. Then I'll try to resize it to the size of my text. Okay, this I want to blur double CC tech. This text double CC tech. Excuse me. So, excuse me please. I'll try to resize my blur to the size of my text. Okay. I'll resize it again to cover the entire text. Yes, I like this one now. Then I'll drag the text. I'll drag this blur to cover all the places the text has appeared. So that the video, whenever I click on the video, the blur will cover every place that has double CC tech. You can see double CC tech has been blurred. So this is how to blur a text using Inshot. So the next one is I'm going to show you how to blur a face. So you just click on BLUR, is the same procedure. Then choose the appropriate face blur I want to use. I've chosen this one now. So I'll try to resize it to the size of my face. Okay, trying to resize it. To the size of my face. Okay. I don't like this one. I'll resize it again. Then having resized it, I'll drag it so that the blur can start from the beginning of the video till the end of the video. This video that I'm using for this tutorial is a 1 minute 27 second video. So I'll drag it from the beginning to the end, 1 minute 27 second. So I'm trying to drag it to the end. I'm dragging it to the end. It has gotten to the end of the video. So whenever I click on this video, the face will be blurred, the text will also be blurred. Let me start from the beginning. Oops, let me size it. Let it start from the beginning. Okay, so now it will start from the actual beginning. The face blur will start from the actual beginning, and the text blur too will start from the beginning of the video till where you have the end of the text. But for the face blur, it will start from the beginning of the video to the end of the video, because the face showed from the beginning to the end of the video. And this is how to blur a text and a face using Inshot app. Do not forget to subscribe, leave a comment, and even like our video. Thank you for watching.